morning flex was found and he had died. Forensics claimed traces of love in the air were identified. Evidence of happiness splashed on walls and stains of smiles on the carpet found dry. It is said he had overdosed on love. He didn't get high, he got higher. The last number dialed was prayer. So God is the supplier. Pronouns pronounced dead at 7:30. No more sunrise, world's mourning the loss of yet another soldier gone too soon as a result of these drugs. It starts with innocent puffs of hearts. Puff, puff, pass, graduate to a spliff tucked between the lips, say kiss. Blown smokes of hope, evil chokes, and this only the beginning. From a spliff it shifts onto a sniff of lines from the book of life, woken by cravings at awkward times, the youngest of mornings and the darkest of nights. Sweat dripping, dancing fingers, he's supplier, he dials, but she cannot deliver, but she cannot deliver, but she cannot deliver. With each blink he dies, he starts to shiver. Walls become singers, silent noises of the body. It triggers visions of broken skies like cracking of mirrors, only cause his eyes hold rivers, forming trails down the valley of his face towards the ocean of pain. Drowning in drought, but desperate for rain. Drowning in drought, but desperate for rain. Drowning in drought, but desperate for rain. He bled noises. Skies began to rain, cats and dogs, thoughts, thunderstorms, head thumping, concrete pillows stuffed the throats. Less than lifeless, he lay there, head hanging, knees bent, desperate for love, feet drenched in tears, puddles reflecting mistakes from yesteryears, puddles reflecting mistakes from yesteryears, puddles reflecting mistakes from yesteryears. A sad song, a black poem, a painting of wrath, mastery of slavery's breath, armlets of vengeance aimed at the left side of his chest, junkie self-destruct when in need of love, but one discovers the source when his supply is above. Coke lines, clockwise, lost lives, drip with each tick. Love is a drug. Every broken heart deserves a fix.